In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer GCredit to GCash wallet. So first, open up your GCash app and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Then next is switch to the Borrow tab at the top and here select GCredit. So here's the important part. GCredit cannot be directly transferred to your GCash wallet as cash. It's designed only for payments and not for cashing out or sending money. However, there's a simple workaround. You can use GCredit to pay for services or send money through supported features, like paying bills or purchasing items instead of trying to transfer it directly. Some users also use GCredit when sending money to another account, but this depends on availability and fees inside the app. Basically, GCredit is mainly for spending and not direct transfers. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!